This is the brief on using TED Talks to learn English. They totally replace boring textbook drills, acting as a powerful, real-world tool to transform your listening, vocabulary, and comprehension. Textbooks are kind of like eating plain, flavorless oatmeal, whereas TED Talks are a rich, multi-course meal, giving you authentic language and world-changing ideas simultaneously. First, they're the perfect learning tool, providing natural English, real idiomatic expressions, diverse global accents like British, American, and Australian, plus crucial visual support. Why do slides and gestures even matter for a language learner? They provide critical context clues when your vocabulary falls short. But knowing why they work is useless unless you know how to study them without getting overwhelmed. Second, you gotta use the active learning method. Watch once with subtitles, then again without. Read transcripts for idioms like step out of your comfort zone or think outside the box. If you're just kicking back on the couch and listening passively, you aren't actually learning. You literally have to pause, mimic the speaker's tone, and write a summary afterward. With the active watching method locked in, you need to know exactly which talks to watch based on your skill level. Finally, let's talk about where to start. Beginners should start with Carol Dweck on motivation and mindset. Intermediate learners can tackle Imi Cuddy on body language and confidence. Advanced speakers should challenge themselves with Sir Ken Robinson on education and creativity. Like a gym workout, you wouldn't lift the heaviest weights on day one, so don't start with Sir Ken Robinson's advanced vocabulary if you're a beginner. By actively engaging with world-class speakers instead of just memorizing grammar rules, you'll naturally improve your fluency while expanding your worldview at the exact same time.